Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, March 26th. We're going to plant peas. Okay, just like planting anything else in the deep mulch, we want to take this down. We want to take this down to bare soil. I'm just going to toss this off over to the side. Come on, let's plant. Make a little hole. We're just making it deep enough to accommodate the little cell. It just pushes right on up. Look at those roots. Set that down in there right up next to the trellis. Snug that in. Come right next to it. Let's get the next one in. See, that's nice and ready to go. We're going to do a little challenge here. We're going to see which grows better. I'm going to put these in, and then I'm going to plant some seeds. We'll see which does better, or if it matters. Now, I was asked a question. Is it too early to plant peas if it's still getting down to 25 degrees at night? Even though it's at 40 and 50 in the day? Well, it kind of depends on your soil temperature. And here with the deep mulch, I still have some forecasts of some frost or some cool nights. But I'm going to trust that the deep mulch is going to keep this warm enough that we'll be okay. See, these roots are this is ready to go in the ground. Beautiful roots. And I'm just making a nice little row. It's just peas. Riley thinks she's going to get a treat. I'll show you that here in a minute. Let's go ahead and get these peas in. Good boy. So I'm just going to drop these right along this little trench. We want to get good soil contact. The soil is good and moist. Okay, I've got a row of peas that we've started from seed, and then we've got a row of peas back here which we started a couple weeks ago. We'll see which one grows fastest or best or most. Riley's been very patient. John Cook is a new member of our channel, and he bought Riley a treat. So we got a beef yummy stick. Let me get this open for you, buddy. That pull. There you go. He's a hard-working gardener. He deserves a yummy stick. Thank you, John. Riley says he'll take another yummy stick if anybody wants to join. I wouldn't mind having a cup of coffee. I do appreciate you coming by and helping us plant some peas. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.